mic gave a small pinch. And ever since they've been waiting on this 12-inch, it's peanut butter wolf Rasco anticipated. Step in the mics will only get cracks obliterated. Turn up these levels, let me bless those that's feeling this. Run on this path and I'ma rip fools continuous. This non-stop entourage rocking camouflage is quick to handle any nigga thinking sabotage. Really, who in the hell is this Big Willie? We'll run him down, rip his ass out and smack him silly. My microphone filled with flames, taking all names. The first to tell him that this hip-hop ain't all games. I rock the planet transatlantic, meaning overseas. Down with various, but this box don't come in threes. Got EBF to the fridge, chillin' close range. Pockets is flat, time to stack me some pocket change. But ain't it strange how this hard work is paid off? Remember days when I was flat broke and laid off, but getting fired only inspired the dope shit. Now magazines on the scene trying to quote shit, giving the wackest hip-hop overblown props. Styles are stolen, better call up the damn cops. Tell them to bring they paddy wagon, got a lot of folks. Stand-up comedians that's all set to crack jokes. Gavel to gavel, brothers getting drugged through the gravel. A little buzz, yo, but my rhymes just didn't travel. I gotta take it to the next, start cashing checks. I see you brothers perpetrating in that rented Lex, trying to flex like you some type of big wheel. I'm on the mic, niggas just get they wigs peeled. Still, I know these whack fools be loving them. Place your bets and I bet Raz can double it.
Decapitate 'em when I activate 'em.